What's up everyone, Dilo Barber here with another tutorial, this time doing a freestyle design on a low taper. We start with the trimmers, doing the first line that is our base, and then I move to the left to do another line, and then I connect that line with the other line, making arcs, making it a little bit stylish. Then I keep going with that flow, just doing more curves, and keep in mind just to do slight touches. You don't want to make lines too thick. Then I do another arch in there. That's gonna be like the main part of the design. I use the corners of the blade so I can keep it more precise. And then as you can see, I'm gonna start doing the cross. Always do the first line just straight, and then I'm gonna add the cross just with the corners of the blade, so I can get those short, like those lines are difficult because there's a short space to make them. So keep in mind not to use the whole blade, just the corners. And I give a little bit of detail, and then I'm gonna start positioning the trimmer upside down so I can do those lines a little bit more thick, because if I leave them just with the trimmers with normal position, it's gonna be too thin. So when I pass the razor, it's gonna be hard to get that space clean. You can slip the blade too much on the hairs or something can happen. As you can see there, I'm only using the corners of the blade because those short lines are very precise. You gotta be careful with them. And keep in mind always, if you're gonna do a line, upside down too. In there, I try to look the design from different angles so I can get the hairs cut in every position. So if you change the view on the design doesn't get loose. I changed a lot the position of the trimmer in there because it's very hard. That cross is very short line, short space. Try to keep the area clean, like no hairs in there. In designs, it's very important because you make a little line or something and the hairs mix up with the lines and it's hard to see. So keep brushing. Also, I help it with the clipper over comb technique, because if you're seeing the design from this angle and you can't see it because there's hairs, it means that they're too long. So you gotta take them down so the lines can be more seen. With the short hair, it can be the 1.5 guard, or just do a little bit clipper over comb and take them down. Also, I'm gonna use a little bit of spray paint. It's gonna be the Kiss Express darkest brown. It's gonna be to make that design pop more. Also, it helps me with the razor. When I pass it through, I can see the lines better because there's a little bit of help with the paint in there. I only spray it once or twice per area because you don't want it too dark and you don't want to look too unnatural. And also look at how I use the card, like I manipulate the shape of it so I can get more precise the design as I want it. Trust me, adding enhancements to your designs too, it's gonna level up your designs a lot more because it's more attractive to the view. This business is all about marketing, getting clients, so don't be too prideful to not use paint. Use it as a tool. Now with the towel, I'm gonna fade away a little bit the paint so I can make it look more natural. Also, sometimes when you spray, the can goes a little bit crazy, so you can keep full control of it. But I always use a towel so I can get that paint go away. And I don't go too hard, but just the necessary to clean it up very well. And then following that, I use the razor, but I lose footage of it. Is that I was using my phone, now I bought a camera, so that shouldn't be happening, I promise. But well, either way, I'm gonna do the next step, that is gonna be the white pencil. I'm gonna fill in all that inside design with it, just to make it pop even more. As you can see, it's popping already, but with the trimmers I fade away that white pencil too. I kinda tap the design and I drag it through all the lines, so in a way I'm expanding that whiteness, and it's gonna help you to give it a little bit more of detail, because once you get the inside design sharp with the razor and with the white pencil, it's gonna be easier to see the hairs that are in the way of getting that more clean view, so you can get those hairs easier. And you can see already how it's looking more natural. I also help it with the brush, as you can see, not only the trimmer. I brush it out so it can fade away a little bit the whiteness. And that's gonna be it. Look at the results. I hope you like it. I like a lot the results. It's because the enhancements and the white pencil helps you a lot. These are the type of things that you should do to make your work distinguished from the other barbers. I like doing these designs a lot. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more content like this. Leave a like, share this video, and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials too. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna be posting videos every Monday and Friday with a new camera. So let's go. See you later.